Assalamualaikum, my name is Ashifah Husna binti Azhar and my teammate is Yasmin Nurhani binti Asmadi and Raja Nur Syuhada binti Rahman. Today we want to present about the autonomic nervous system. Okay, first I want to present about the comparison of somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. First, let's understand that while the somatic nervous system innervates skeletal muscle to generate deliberate motion, the autonomic nervous system involves smooth muscle and cardiac muscle to generate the involuntary motion. We talk about there are difference in neuron structure as well. Okay, first the somatic or voluntary nervous system provide motor fiber to the skeletal muscle. Next, the autonomic or involuntary nervous system provide motor fiber to smooth cardiac and glands. Next, in somatic division, a single motor neuron forms the efferent pathway from the central nervous system to the effector. Okay, next I want to present about cell body in control nervous system. From the picture, you can see somatic nervous system. Neuron transmitter at effector is acetylcholine, and effector organ is skeletal muscle, and the effect is stimulatory. From autonomic nervous system, they have two neurons, is sympathetic and parasympathetic. The sympathetic neuron transmitter at effector is neuropilin, and the parasympathetic neuron transmitter at effector is acetylcholine. The effector organ of them is smooth muscle, glands, and cardiac muscle. The effect two of them is stimulatory or inhibitory, depends on neuron transmitter and receptor on effector organ. Okay, for the somatic, axon are heavily myelinated and singular, releasing acetylcholine. For the autonomic neuron are likely myelinated or non-myelinated, and there will be two neurons change from the central nervous system to effector organs. The first of this is the preganglionic neuron, which is preganglionic axon, and the later is the postganglionic neuron, which is postganglionic axon, and this release either acetylcholine, neuropreference, resulting in either stimulatory or inhibitory response. In contrast with somatic, which is always stimulatory. Next, I want to present about somatic nervous system. First, somatic efference, sensory division. Somatic efferent division conveys sensory information from skin, skeletal muscle, tendons, joints, eyes, tokyo, nose, and ear to the spinal cord and some cranial nerve. Second, somatic efference motor division. Somatic efferent divisions conduct impulse from the central nervous system to the skeletal muscle. Next, I want pass to Yasmin Nurhani binti Asmadi to present.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yasmin Nurhani binti Asmadi. As we already learned, the peripheral nervous system is divided into the sensory division and motor division. The latter is what produces motion. Motor division is divided into the somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. The next, autonomic nervous system divided into a sympathetic division and a parasympathetic division. Okay, let's talk a bit more about sympathetic division. The sympathetic division springs into action in emergency situation. Sympathetic division, also known as a fight or flight system. Sympathetic response including rising heart rate, increased blood pressure, and releasing more glucose from liver. All action that help an organism avoid dangers. Sympathetic fiber originate in between the thoracic and lumbar region of the spinal cord. I will pass the next presenter.
I'm Rajana Shuhada binti Raja Abdurrahman. Will continue this presentation. My part is about parasympathetic. The parasympathetic division is for rest and digest actions. It directs the digestion of food and the expulsion of waste along with other maintenance-related actions that occur best in a state of relaxation. To get more specific, parasympathetic fibers originate in the brain and sacral region of the spinal cord, which are the opposite ends of the central nervous system. Parasympathetic has preganglionic and short postganglionic fibers, with the ganglia residing in the effector organs, while the opposite is true for sympathetic, so the ganglia sit very close to the spinal cord. Here we can see the various nerves of the two divisions and the organs they innervate. That's all from my group presentation. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.